Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a link in PowerPoint, a quick and easy way to clean up your slides and make your presentation look more professional. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and then open the presentation that contains the hyperlink you want to remove. Next, go to the slide that includes the linked text or object. Select the text that has the hyperlink by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Now, right-click on the selected text. From the menu that appears, choose Remove Link. And that's it. The hyperlink will be removed instantly, turning your text back into regular, non-clickable text. To confirm, click elsewhere on the slide, then hover your mouse over the text. You'll see there's no longer an active link. Finally, don't forget to save your presentation by pressing Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. And there you go. You've just learned how to remove a hyperlink in PowerPoint. A simple trick to keep your slides clean and distraction-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other PowerPoint guides for more quick and useful tips.